Big booty, but you got a big booty. Ooh, big booty, but you got a big booty. Alright, let's take this. And welcome to another episode of Anisha Talks. And you guys must be thinking, hi Daya, Anisha doesn't go to the bathroom. But don't worry guys, I just made the title in a certain way so you would click on this video. So smart of me, right? I'm so desperate. So this video is specifically made for India because going to the toilet in India is a sport in itself. So all of us love to eat like pigs and love to stuff ourselves with yummy food and delicious treats. But as nature has it, the next morning we all pay the price for it. So the first thing we do when we wake up in the morning is go to the bathroom and try our luck. But sometimes life has just other plans for you and it says, better luck next time. Ha ha ha. Okay, what? I'm warning you guys, this video is gonna be very shitty, no pun intended. So better leave now if you don't want to hear stuff like that. I've warned you, मैंने अपना काम कर लिया. Oh no, not that calm. So since none of us have the time to sit on a toilet the entire day, although I would love to, and that too with my phone, one needs to pull up your pants and start to get going, especially if you're going on a road trip. And guess what? Once you sit in the car for already 30 minutes and you've passed the ghats, your tummy starts making kuru 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 kuru. And in that very moment, you know exactly how much time you have left before the entire world knows your secret. And the countdown starts now. And now I'm doing randomly Snapchat and you're being part of my video as well. Wow, what a plugin. But follow me on Snapchat and Instagram as well. And Facebook if you can. I'm so desperate. Follow me. The links are given below. Number 5. Location scouting. So we all know we don't like to do our business at shady places and we try to keep an eye out looking for the best possible bathroom we can find just by looking at it. But if you happen to travel in an area where there are hardly options, you are screwed. Which wasn't my case, and the only possibility I had at that stage was an isolated dhaba which could be a setup for a horror movie. But that is exactly what was happening entirely in my tummy. Hi Daya! And once you step out of the car, you see all of these bidi jalaila people hanging and smoking, and you get confused, should you be pooping or puking? So you run and make your way to number 4. Finding toilet. So your friends make their way to get some breakfast and you finally get your way to let go of some breakfast. But because there are no clear directions of where exactly the toilet is, you muster courage to ask the dhaba wala. जी भैया वो टॉयलेट किधर है? हाँ वो पीछे लेफ्ट में जाओ, वहाँ से राइट लेकर वहाँ पर लेफ्ट पर एक लंबा सा कॉरिडोर आएगा, वहाँ पर 20 दरवाजे हैं, वहाँ पर 3 दरवाजे छोड़ के चौथे पे नॉक करना. अगर वो लॉक है तो 3 दरवाजे छोड़ के वापस चौथे पे नॉक करना, लेकिन वहाँ पर लॉक नहीं है. So once you figured out this entire puzzle while holding it in, you end up in a toilet with no lock and number 3, मौत का कुआं. And yes, you have to be a खतरों के खिलाड़ी to survive this मौत का कुआं. This place is dirtier than मस्तीज़ादे jokes. And it smells so badly that even your poop says, better luck next time. Ha ha ha. Okay, what? And your poop acts up as if he's your ex-boyfriend whom you just have dumped. No pun intended. So you are left with no choice but to step out again, take a deep breath and hold that air in as if you were starting in Mission Impossible 5 where you had to finish a task underwater. And ladies and gentlemen, this counts as my certificate as a certified scuba diver. Woo! Peekaboo! And number 2, doing number 2. This time, no pun intended. But to make matters worse, it's an Indian toilet where my leg muscles and my squat workouts are going to be tested. And guess what? I happen to wear a very long skirt on that road trip. Do not wear anything long when going on a road trip. So lifting and holding the skirt while squatting and pointing in the right direction and holding in your breath and keeping the pressure steady ain't easy, my friend. But because so many forces are at play at the same time, you forget the most important force of them all. Gravity. Hi Daya! And my beautiful dress has touched the bacterial evil infested floor. In that very moment, your air goes out along with your ijjat and abru. So since you've already made yourself dirty, you decide to get dirty by dropping this dirty Harry. So once it has left your body and you hear the sound of it hitting the floor, you feel like... So once you've accomplished your mission, it's time for cleaning it with number 1, the mug. Now if this would have been some fancy place, I would have had a bum gun or some good old toilet paper. But this is a dhaba and all I have for my rescue is Maa Ka Ashirwad and a dirty old mug which has seen more butts than Kanye West. So remember, while having so many forces at play, you still need to aim the mug to your butt blindly. Hi, Liga Bang Bang! So as in any superhero movie, you need to choose between saving humanity or your loved one. In my case, it was either my dress or my dignity. And just like Spider-Man, I decided to do both. Hold the dress and the mug with one hand and clean my butt with the other hand. And then, like a hero, I emerge and drop the mug and walk out with my head high and I feel like I'm reborn. And I say to myself, what a wonderful world. So this was it, guys, and to all the YouTube critics out there, I know not all the toilets are this dirty. We also have some clean ones, but sadly while traveling, most of the toilets are dirty and really need some heavy improvement. And India really needs more and cleaner toilets. Let's not ignore this. So let me know your experiences in Indian toilets while traveling in the comment section below. Also next Tuesday, I'm going to have another Ask Annie video. So do leave your questions for me in the comment section below with the hashtag AskAnnie. So see you next Tuesday and I gotta rush to the toilet. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this video and do give this video a thumbs up just for the fact that I made a video like this. It takes some guts, guys, and share this video to spread the awareness of how dirty our Indian toilets are during traveling. And of course, subscribe to my channel by clicking down here because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and you don't want to miss out. और अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा.